Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 81 range attribute in ASP.NET MVC. Before watching this video, please watch my parts 78, 79 and 80. In part 80, I was explained about string length attribute in MVC. So before continuing this video, you have to watch these previous parts necessary so that you can understand very well. So let's start with range attribute. Okay, range attribute checks if the value of a data field is within a specified range of values. Like if you provide age between range, then it will validate it. So let's to give the validation for age property, click to the Visual Studio, and here I have one application, and inside of that there is age property. Okay, so let's give to this age a validation, right? So get partial table and property of it, public age, copy this, paste it here. Okay, we will add the required field. Okay, to required to provide to age, and we will add a range attribute, range between 1 to 100. So minimum value for range is 1 and maximum 100. Let's save it, build it, and let's check it. Okay, in the last lecture I was explaining about input validation. So let's see the previous videos. Before watching this, I will add the names, email ID, password, address, hire date. Okay, now age property. If I don't add anything inside of the add text box, then require attribute will provide the error message. Okay, the age field is required. If I provide over the range or below the range, suppose 200, then the range attribute will give the error that the field age must be between 1 and 100. If I put 0, then also it gives us error. Okay, so put the age between 1 to 100. Okay, let's create it. The record is created using this. You can see here inside of this site is all the values. Okay, and when I run this program, it will add this record, right? Now I want to give validation for this hire date range validation. Okay, so for that what I will do, let's go to this site user metadata view model, and inside of that I will add now this hire date is already added. Okay, just I will give the attributes for range of date time. Okay, so first of all I will add the date format attribute. Okay, so display the hire date using that same date type format. For that I will use display format and date time datetime format string is not available, so date type format string, this one, equal to, I have to display only the date. Okay, so provide this value to this validation attribute 0 colon d, so it will provide only the date. Okay, now I will add another thing, apply format edit mode equal to true, so that it will work in edit mode also, right? And now I want to give range attribute for the date property, higher date. So range type of date time, type of date time, and add the value between the date. Okay, so let's add the date. I want to add date between 0101 2010 to 0101 2020, right? I want to add between these two date ranges the record. Finish it. Okay, so date should be taken with this range of attributes of date time. Let's save it, build the program, and run the program. Build is succeeded. Let's check it. Okay, this is my record and I will edit any record. Okay, this date I was given the range 2010 to 2020. If I put 2005, okay, then it will provide us the error because range between 2010 to 2020. If I provide more than 2020, 2021, then it will provide also the error. But I will provide the value between 2010 to 20, then it doesn't display the error message. Okay, and record will be saved. Record will be saved. Okay, back to the list. You can see here this value. If you add new record, higher date, if it is 2000, it will display error. Okay, if you add between 2010 to 20, then it doesn't display error. Okay, the error message has gone now. So this type you can give a range validation attribute to the date type. Okay, so this is the way you can display the date format string within the range of values. So when range attribute is used with date time fields, the client side validation does not work as expected. We will discuss this in a later video session. Okay, so this is the end of my video session. Thank you for listening my video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, share it, like it. Thank you. Have a great day.